Hello YouTube, I have a Power Craze Drifter Plus. It's a 1 through 28 scale RC drifter, 4x4, has a very nice packaging. I got this at COSTCO for $29, or actually $28. Pretty cheap, and let's see what we get in the box. So the vehicle itself looks very nice, has a lot of functional lights that we'll show you in a minute, a different set of tires for drift, AAA Duracell batteries, the charging for the vehicle itself, a couple of paperwork and manual. The controller feels good, not the highest quality, but you can drive it with one hand only. It's very accessible. You have 3 different modes for speed, which is very convenient as well. And a closer look here at the vehicle, it has this very interesting pickup style body, which is clipped on the chassis pretty hard. I find it really hard to remove. Looking at it from underneath, you can see that it has the black tires at this moment, which I think it is the drifter tires, a little bit harder rubber, but still it is rubber. And in this shot here, I have it with tires on one side, the gray tires, a little bit softer rubber, and in the other side I have the black ones, just so you can see how it looks. Pretty decent looking vehicle, the lights working there, headlamps, tail lamps, backlights. It does have a lot of lights. Like I said, the steering is fully proportional and very responsive, which gives you a lot of control to drift this car. I'm not a drifter, so I did have a hard time doing anything crazy like we see in all of those videos out there, but it is fun. The trigger for braking and acceleration is also very responsive. I'm going to show here now. It's on top of something here. I'm accelerating, and once you go forward with it, and as you steer the vehicle, you can see the lights blinking. You know, now right and left. This is so neat. While it's running quickly through the to the ground, you cannot really see that, but if you do a slow-mo shot, you can probably see. And the other aspect of this, those are the 2 tires I mentioned. The black rubber is a little bit tougher than this gray rubber, but they feel about the same. Did not notice too much of a difference there. I wish they had a harder rubber for the drift tire. Comes with a tool to remove the tires, and also the USB type A charger for the vehicle itself. Like I mentioned, you have 3 different settings for different speeds. You just press 1, 2, and 3 times, and that you go. This is just a quick clip of me running within the hard floor here. It drifts pretty well. I guess if I was experienced with it, I would be able to do some nice drifting around. As you hit the accelerator, the car just goes flying quickly, and you steer, and the back it slides. So pretty cool. Another shot here, just changing the speed and trying to go around the cones. It's a lot harder than it looks, right? So it's really hard. It's probably, if you try to hit the cone, you can't hit the cone. If you try not to hit the cone, then you're definitely gonna hit the cone. So I learned that very quickly, but that's just the learning process, right? Going for a quick run here. Such a fun vehicle. I mean, it's small, quick, and the battery lasts for quite a while, and the lights looks very, very cool. So I hope that you like this video so far. It's not supposed to be an in-depth review by any means. It's just like what you get. It can handle carpet, not very good, but you know, like you see, it does run through the carpet. Now a view from underneath, like I told you before, but I thought this is interesting. The steering is very responsive. You have trim adjustment as well if it's not going straight. So although it's a very cheap RC car, you have some good functions out there. The acceleration, if it is also proportional, makes a kind of a lot of noise, but that's because it's a brushed motor and not a brushless, so it makes a little more noise there. But all in all, it's a great vehicle. I hope that you liked. Consider subscribing, like, dislike, leave your question or comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Forgot to mention that it also has some springs. It's not oil filled shocks or anything, but has some sort of suspension there. Very basic, but does works, and it can absorb some of the impacts. Yeah, that's just another little addition that they added to this RC. Thank you very much again for watching. Bye now.